All right, so this is lesson 18, finding a rate by dividing two quantities. All right, so I'm going to show you two methods here. I'm going to show you a chart and a version of a proportion. Not our typical cross multiplication, but we're going to look at it straight across style proportion. At Fun Burger, that sounds kind of neat, the Burger Master, ooh, I like that name too, can make hamburgers at a rate of 4 burgers in a minute. In order to address the heavy volume of customers, he needs to continue at a rate for 30 minutes. If he continues to make hamburgers at this pace, how many hamburgers will the Burger Master make in 30 minutes? So, important information. 30 minutes, 4 burgers in 1 minute. So, we make a little chart just to help us sort this stuff out. Okay, so he can make 4 burgers, so I'm just going to call it burgers minutes, like that. 4 burgers in 1 minute, and we got to get to 30 minutes. So we go from 1 to 30 by timesing by 30. So let's do it to this side, times 30. So then we take our 30 and we times it by our 4, and we're going to get 120. So that means he will be able to make 120 burgers in 30 minutes if he stays on that 4-to-1 pace. So in a proportion, it could look like this. 4 burgers, we'll put the burger stuff on top, we'll put the minutes on the bottom. So this is just a guide. This is the guide, okay? I'm going to put G-U-I-D-E. That's the guide. Okay, actually that doesn't look like the word guide very well. G-U-I-D-E, that's a guide. 4-to-1 equals how many burgers, the burgers, in 30. So we go like this. 1 goes to 30 by 30. Whatever we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator. So we times 30, and we get our same answer. Burgers equal 120. So either method works great. Let's look at another one. Chandra is an editor at the New York Gazette. Her job is to read each article before it is printed in the newspaper. If Chandra can read 10 words in 1 second, how many words can she read in 60 seconds? So we can make a little chart out of this. 10 words, 1 second, so words, seconds. We got to get to 60 seconds. So that's times 60. So we just times 60. So we're going 60 times 10 is 600. So 600 words in 60 seconds. Proportion-wise, we would have words to seconds. That's our guide. That tells us we put the 10 word on top, seconds on the bottom. We were given 60 seconds, and we were missing the word. 1 goes to 60 by 60. So 10 goes by 60 would be W equals 600. Either way works. It's whatever you choose. There's more than one way to do math. And as always, this is Miss Body, and I love math. And smiling. If you ever see me, that's what I'm always doing, because life's too short not to.